I am the operations director for Hood Professionals. We started in 2023. And the way that we got started was we and my business partner owned a restaurant, and we called to get our hoods cleaned. And it was like pulling teeth finding somebody to come in. They were like, yeah, we'll come in $2,700. I'm like, we have a 4-foot hood. Like, what? He got online. Boom, MFS popped up, and he said, you know what? I bet we could start a business that did hood cleaning. We had no idea how to do it. Like, we were completely like deer in headlights. We were like, we have no clue how to even start. Like, we're going to put the money up. We thought about it. We're like, is it going to be worth it? We were so scared because we're like, we're throwing our money away. We're getting this thing wrong. We started in 2023 in June. By December, we had already cleared over $100,000 in hood cleanings in the first 6 months. For a new business, that's insane. If you look at the number for a new business that started with no foundation, one truck, one pressure washer, one certification, 6 months, $100,000. And that's insane. Times it by 7 is what we did last year in hood cleaning. We crushed it. You just grow, never stop growing. It is the investment that you need to do, because when you make that investment in an MFS, you gain so much privilege from it. You gain experience, knowledge, understanding, the know-how to do the business, and how to really approach customers. It teaches you everything. Contract bidding, everything. And it's all there. And it's like a playbook. It's like, okay, this is turnkey. You literally start, and the next thing you know, you're exploding on the scene, and you wake up and you're like, how did this business get to be as big as it is? And in a matter of no time, when we opened our business after we had our certification, it was like a week we had 4 or 5 contracts. Next thing you know, 2 weeks we have 10, 3 weeks we have 30. Now we're operating. We sign new deals every day. We do government contracts, we do schools, we do military bases in our area for the National Guard of our states that we're surrounding. You leave these other places, and I would never imagine going to another place. Here's your certificate, here's your crap, you're done, go on, figure it out on your own. MFS is like, no, we're going to help you grow your business. When we got this, they sent over a packet with information, and we were getting our invoice template, our JSR template. They were sending out, business card templates. Next thing you know, he's sending out, hey, you can get your stickers here. You get your professional looking sticker. It's set up. It's got a link to your website on it, and people take you serious, and that's what it takes to get there. We had trouble finding insurance. I called Chris. Hey, Chris, you can constantly communicate with him. And he's like, I know this guy, I'm going to send you in. You need to call this broker. Next thing you know, we got new insurance. We got better insurance. We have the right coverage. We have things taken care of us. I had a problem with receivables. It's a big part of the business. You have an outstanding receivable. And Chris comes in and says, hey, man, this is going to revolutionize your business. This is what you need to do. Don't allow them to extend receivables past 14 days. If you do, you can put on your invoice, there will be a service charge if past 14 days, and your invoice doubles. You know how many late payments we have now? None. Everybody pays on time. And that's just the magic. So if people are having questions about starting this business, going, well, I don't know if I could really diversify this business, I will tell you, there's enough work for everybody. It's overwhelming, and it's like a money printer. It's just like every day you're going to be busy. So you have to do it. If you think about it, you have to just do it. And MFS holds your hand. I hate to say it, they hold your hand, and that's what you're paying for. So when you look at the cost and the value, the cost is left-handed, man. The value is where it's at. You receive so much more than what you're paying for, and you have access to the videos. And I even have my helpers come in, and my helpers will sit down and they'll watch those videos and look at those videos and see things, and they understand it, and they go, okay, so when it's time for them to become certified technicians, to be on their own crew and have their own operation, they get to come in and they already have a foundation, and they ace the tests, and they get through it, and they get their certification. Next thing you know, they're out there doing hoods. No, actually, I have a book. I keep this. I have a new one for this year. I always write them down. Every job we perform. And in this book, it shows the month of June when we started, the first 3 jobs that we closed. And those were it. Now, ours isn't even in there, but there they are. And literally 25th, 26th, 27th. That's how fast it was. 3 days in a row, we did 3 cleanings. And then next thing you know, it starts to grow. And then by the time we got to the end of that, if we look at December, we were completely full, plus 27 schools, or 17 schools that we did, because that was our first contract in December. And it just goes a month like that. And that's where we did over $100,000. There's October, $18,000, $30, and we were operating still very mom and pop. Those are That's the first foundation of 2023. And then in 2024, it was just, I mean, it's not in this. It's in a whole different book and it's full and it's crazy. But that's the beginning of our company. And I get a phone call at least once every couple of days. Hey, we need a hood cleaned. Where you at? And it's from our website and our Google account. It's kind of, different. But when we get those calls and people come in, I'll tell you, I don't even have to go to the restaurant. They can send me a picture of their hood. I'll say, this is the price. They go, okay, come on. I don't even have to go to the restaurant. And I look it up on Google and see how tall it is. And then in the book that he sends with you, Chris or whoever is instructor of class with MFS, in that book, there's information regarding your pricing. If you follow that pricing strategy that is provided by MFS, you're going to be on a national standard where everybody's kind of on the same page. And you have the qualification by coming through this program to be able to use that pricing to benefit you in the future. You don't have to think of it that it seems like it's too much. The customer is going to pay for white glove service if you offer white glove service. But if you're a guy in a pickup truck who shows up and is like, I'm going to slap a sticker on this thing and wipe it out and, spray it half butt and get out of here, yeah, you can charge $400. But those people are not maintaining customer relationships. Companies like me come in and eat up contracts left and right because they have bad experiences and they want the best. MFS trains you and your company to be the best in the industry. The ramp up came in from, we got a phone call. She said, I'm with Commercial Fire. We are looking for contractors, people who we can send work to for our commercial contracts. So I thought, send me a list of all the open contracts that you need cleaners for. I need all of them. She goes, how far are you willing to go? I said, give me all 50 states. I want to see it. They had stuff in Alaska. They had stuff in Texas. I'm like, I'm in West Virginia. We are not near this stuff in Southern California. She called me and was like, okay, did you get the list? And I said, ma'am, there are over 700 locations on here. I said, I'm a small business. There is no way. And she said, sounds like you need to hire somebody. That's exactly what she said. She goes, well, only if it's an emergency cleaning would we ever ask you to go like long distance. I'm like, you would seriously consider paying a person. They're like, you don't understand. We need people who have the proper insurance and the proper certifications to do this. Well, luckily, I have the proper certification. I have the information that's needed to do it. So it was like turnkey. So I hired a guy. MFS got on there. I said, oh, certified employee. Boom, purchase. Boom, put in the card. He took the program, passed, got his certificate, turned him out, put him out on the road. And next thing you know, I had a build out. He knew what he was doing. He was training with us. And I had crew number 2. And then we had crew number 3. And then our owner stepped back, went back to police work, and we put a person in crew number 3. So there's 3 crews, 1, 2, 3, and they're out there operating to this day. And that's how we grew. We have each crew doing 79 jobs a week, and they can handle it, and they're stackable, and they're in and out, and they use the proper service, and they get done, and the customers are always satisfied. Now there is the 1% where there isn't a satisfied customer, which happens, but most of the time it comes out pretty clean and it's perfect, and it's because of our trainings. We didn't have any industry knowledge, so this being a trade, right? This is a trade business, and it's such a good business, so lucrative, and you build connections with restaurant managers, but really owners trust you. We have places that literally we have their key. We have a box in our hallway behind me that has keys to over 50 restaurants, and each restaurant's $1 million. You become legit pretty quick. If you're just doing pressure washing jobs now and you're thinking about getting into this industry, I'll tell you that like you go from being just a guy with a truck and a pressure washing company to a legitimized business that holds the keys to millions of dollars worth of restaurants and responsibility for operations. If you, as an owner of a business, mess up a restaurant and it doesn't open tomorrow, you have to realize what kind of responsibility you just hurt. So it just shows how much more professional, how much more responsibility you can handle. And it gives you so much more accreditation and validation to your community to make you the number one. So if you're like, I want to project my pressure washer business, if you take this on and actually make it a part of your life, and you're like, okay, we're going to also do hoods and restaurants and clean restaurants and provide this commercial service, it that much more gives confidence when somebody calls you for a soft wash. They go, well, how do we know you're actually not going to tear up our house? Well, let me tell you, I oversee over 15 or 20 restaurants in my local community, and I do this, and these restaurants have to operate, and if they don't, they lose tens of thousands of dollars. That shows that you are trustworthy, reliable, consistent, you have foundation, and that's what MFS really projects you for, is saying, hey, we validate this guy. He came through our program. We intend it the way it's supposed to be. He's going to follow the NFPA 96 code. He's going to do it all by the book, and it's going to be 100%. So the best piece of advice I ever got was I was so, and I'll tell you, Chris, first and foremost, is an amazing instructor. I mean, he makes it very simple for you to understand the process. And the video showing you how to do the process, the best thing I can say is go buy a roll of plastic. While he's teaching you how to do it, hold it, touch it. Don't be intimidated by it. Don't be nervous. Look at the product, understand it, watch YouTube videos on pressure washer maintenance. He teaches you that stuff already, but look at more things, look at more information about winterizing, keep digging. Or if you have a question, the best part about Chris is you can call him and he will tell you the answer. And he very much so has that industry knowledge, which is so valuable that you're paying a one-time fee plus your annual renewal. Next thing you know, you're in this program with him, and he trusts you. Trust him because he's going to tell you how to be successful. He's going to give you the keys to the business, and that's just what it takes. So, but Chris, the best piece of advice he gave me was to be firm on my pricing. Not to fall into the trap. And he explained to you, because you're gonna see that a lot of these cleaners, a lot of these people who are fly by nighters, because they'll do it for whatever. $300, we'll do your system. He goes, and some customers are completely happy with that because they think they got one over. But when their restaurant burns down and they have no validation from the insurance of who cleaned their hood, and then they lose everything they've ever had, and they get no money or no compensation because the insurance company, Chris explained it to me. He says they don't want to pay you. If a restaurant burns down, the last thing you want to do is pay you. They want to figure out what you did wrong so they cannot pay you. If your hood wasn't cleaned by a professional hood cleaning company with a certified technician and they can prove it, they're not going to pay for your restaurant. They're going to leave you open-ended. So be firm on your pricing. Don't go down. Maintain, build the customer relationship, focus on your customers, and you're going to have a successful business. And he's true. It's true. And then I'll be honest, Chris, when he gives you a piece of advice, listen to him, understand it, and take it from a guy who's been doing it forever. Take it from a guy who's built a successful business on the foundation of what Chris has taught. It works. You just have to do it. I mean, Chris he's been great. And ease of access too, man. You just shoot him an email, shoot him a text or call, whatever, he'll get back to you. If there's one way or other, he's going to get back to you. And he's going to tell you, hey, you got to do this. But the best thing that I learned from Chris was maintaining your pricing. Don't fall into the trap of undercutting competition. That's the legitimizing of your business. And that's how MFS is. It might not be the cheapest. It might not be, the most lucrative way or whatever they say. It is the most lucrative way when it comes to establishing a hood company business to get your certification, because you learn so much and the values in it. It might not be the cheapest, but the access you get from just the communication between the team that is set up at MFS is night and day compared to anything else. And that's where your value's at. And that's how they value a company. And that's how people value us.